You start off then.
Welcome to Don't Subscribe.
Don't subscribe. Yes, don't subscribe FPV.
Yeah, we don't care.
We don't care
But
about
what we do care
subscribers.
about is FPV and drones.
What
This
is
little sucker
this?
here. This little sucker here is an Emax Freestyle. Pretty good drone. Don't rate the board. We don't care about facts. It flies okay.
Look, we want to be starting off. Look, if you've come here, that means you want to fly FPV, which means you either haven't gone into FPV or you're wanting to get into FPV.
Yeah, you're that 1% who just don't know what to do.
Okay, we're gonna give you that 1%.
Yes.
Okay, so what you need to do is start off with a Mobula 6. Bring out the Mobula 6.
Wow, I got ripped.
What?
Why my VTX is longer than the other?
Just chop this one down.
No. Anyway, whatever. So, Mobula 6, where is it? It's this one here, if you can see that.
Yep, this one here, it's a Mobula 6. It runs on a 1S.
Used to be
Really,
up there as
really
well.
durable, robust. Crashing a million times.
This is what you need to start off on if you're going to be recording, flying indoors.
Recording.
Yeah, and also recording your flying time. Fly this indoors or outdoors.
Through
or at
trees.
night.
It's really good, like
Or
doing
during the
trees.
day.
You can't fly at night. You
Okay.
need to see.
Doesn't have lights or something?
No,
Flash?
no, that was the Emax.
Okay, the Emax is just crap. Do not buy the kit.
Yeah, that's what we did. That's what I did. I bought the Emax ready to fly kit. Came with goggles, controller, and
I bought the Freestyle. Don't
This
rate
one
the
here?
board. So
Don't
don't
get it.
start with this.
don't get this one here either. It was fine to learn on, but they just break as soon as you hit one tree. Like the board is not very strong. It like components break off it, and then you're gonna have to soldering and stuff. So don't get one of these. Start off.
My motor fried, so I had to rewire it. But
No one
in the
cares.
end,
No one cares.
the board was the problem. No one cares?
Yeah, no one cares.
Oh, well. The Run Cam 2 comes with Run Cam 2, which is pretty good. But just the VDX and the board is
all
rubbish.
the Emax.
If you're
ones
gonna
come
get-
from Cam 2.
If you're going to get a drone that has the VDX on the same board as the flight controller and the ESC, it's crap. So just throw that away. What I did upgrade to... Gus, and stick this on the wall.
Hold on.
This is the wall of fame.
We haven't finished. We gotta show them what they need to buy to get in. You need one of these. It's a Free Sky Tyrannus QX7. You can jump onto Banggood. It's about $150. And this is everything you need to get into FPV for life. Don't get anything else. This will bind to all your Free Sky compatible drones.
So I got the Tyrannus X9 Lite S. The X9 Lite S is pretty good. Comes with rechargeable battery in here.
No one cares. And then what you want to do is get goggles like this. It's about $100 from Banggood. Has a 5-inch screen, big cinema. It's got 2 antennas, a patch, and a omnidirectional antenna. Really good. You can record your.
No one cares. It's
flight
heavy,
footage.
bulky, and falls off your face. This here is nice and light. Sticks on your face. You can upgrade your antennas. And even though the screen size is pretty small,
It's
is
very
actually-
small. Don't
it's
do it.
really nice
It's
to
like
fly in.
$500. This is
Battery
$100.
off into your pocket.
Get one of these.
Pretty expensive, but I do rate this.
Definitely get one of these.
If you're gonna get this, then you need to upgrade and get the lollipops. This is the Sky Zone 2.
See, mine actually comes with.
We may or may drop the links
antennas.
below.
We won't. We don't care. We are FPV.
Alright, what's the next drone to talk about? That's what I fly with, and I think it's pretty good. So, I then...
That's all. That's all for today. We're not talking about anything else.
Yeah, next week we'll talk about the JEP RCs and building your own drone.
Cool. Peace
Shut
out.
it down. Don't subscribe.
We don't care.
We'll see you next week.